Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can view your profile photo on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to select privacy. And as you can see, the first option we have is last seen and online, and the second option we have is profile photo. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see, you have four options. So either everyone can view your profile photo, your contacts except someone you don't want to view it, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people, maybe 10, and nobody. So in this example, let's just set it to nobody. So now no one can view your profile photo except for yourself. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!